Hi guys, so welcome to Shikhara tutorials. So myself Banu, I am qualified cost and management accountant and your mentor for in the financial accounting. So now I am going to discuss about the strategy for the single group students and the both group students. So we know what are the important areas in the accounting ma. When coming to the important areas, so accounting standards, partnership and NPO. So if you are writing only the single group means you are having the ample of time. So today night means December 10th 2025. In today night complete the MCQs, so easily we can complete. So the video which was available 4 hours 30 minutes ma, so easily we can complete the ample time. So stress on this MCQs in today's night. From tomorrow onwards, tomorrow means on December 11th 2025. So if you woke up at 6 o'clock, this is my exaggeration. So if you woke up, or if some of the people will woke up before 6 also, no problem. So 6 to 9, first target the single entry and NPO and try to complete. So I have given the ample time. So 3 hours is sufficient for learning of single entry and NPO. Just revise, don't do the practice or anything. Okay na guys. And next 10 to 12 p.m. So 1 hour time, so allocate to the BRS and rectification of errors. So BRS is a simple concept and 1 hour will be sufficient for both the things, or even overall in the 4 hours you try to complete this 4 concepts. So if you completed these 4 concepts, so single entry question will be completed, complete 14 marks in your hands, and already 30 marks are there in your hand. So 13 plus 14, and again this is for 14 marks. So we'll get 2A question from here. The depreciation you will automatically cover in the accounting standard AS number 10. So next 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So in the afternoon time, so start with the bills of exchange, only the accommodation bills and consignment. So try to complete this one. And next one, hire purchase. So if you complete these things, so easily we can get one more question in our hand. And next one, 3 p.m. to totally 3 to 5 insurance claims and branch. So in the branch also focus on only debtors method ma. So exactly in this attempt the debtors method will come into the picture. And while coming to the 6 to 9 and 11 and target the 2 most important chapters like accounting standards and partnership. Or otherwise if you want you can participate in the live in the YouTube. So the live will be start from on 11th December 2025 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. So if you want we can spend 1 more hour also, so 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. like that. Okay na guys, there I will revise the important topics and all the things. So here, and even one more half day you are having, so that one more half day you can cover whatever the topics you have missed out, and once again go to the revision. So once again see the MCQs and go to the examination. The total MCQs are 30 out of 30 marks you will get from those 4.5 hours. So for that reason only first I am saying in order to revise all the concept also will be revised, and then after target this one. So only refer the questions, don't do the questions, so because there is no time. And there is a one more point, so already, so we should start with the small questions, we should not start with the single entry and partnership. First target the BRS and rectification of errors, small, second question, third question, and then 7th and 8th question. Target those questions, and then after completing MCQs, and then after completing target the biggest questions of single entry or NPO. So this is a feasible point of view, you will get the more marks, easily you can get the 70 plus marks. So if you are writing the easier question first, the confidence level will be more for that reason. And when coming to the both group students, sir, both group students we can straight away participate in the YouTube live ma, so which was on December 11 2025. I will cover most of the topics there itself, so you can revise the MCQs and you can make the revision in the next day morning, 12th morning, and you can we can appear in the examinations. So all the very best ma. So the topics which we have discussed, those only will come into the picture, and some more points I will discuss in the tomorrow's live section. So be confident and all the best for each and every examination. Try to get 50 marks for each paper, you may get the exception also. So focus on MCQs. The MCQs will play the key role in each and every subject. So thank you, have a nice day, all the very best, and congratulations for your success. So thank you, bye bye.